In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animations in draw.io and export as GIF. We'll start inside draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, and work right on the canvas you want to animate. If you're opening the app fresh, go ahead and load your existing diagram or a blank canvas so you have something to work with. To animate your connectors, first make sure nothing is selected, then right-click on an empty area of the canvas. From the context menu, choose Select Edges. This instantly highlights all the connector lines in your diagram. Edges are simply the lines that join shapes together, so this is a quick way to target every connection at once. If you don't see the option, try right-clicking again on a truly empty spot so the menu appears for the canvas rather than a shape. If you only want some lines to animate, refine your selection by holding Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and clicking individual lines. Each click will add or remove a line from the current selection, giving you precise control over which connectors will be animated. This is handy when you want to emphasize a particular path or flow without distracting motion elsewhere. With your chosen line selected, look to the right-hand Format panel and open the Style tab. Check the box labeled Flow Animation. As soon as you turn it on, you'll see a flowing dash effect travel along those connectors in the canvas. That motion is your live preview. If you don't see the panel, expand the Format panel on the right so the style controls are visible. To go beyond animated lines and bring shapes to life, open the Extras menu and select Plugins. In the Plugin Manager, add the Animation.js plugin. This plugin unlocks additional animation options for shapes, making it easier to highlight steps, reveal elements, or create simple sequences within your diagram without leaving Draw.io. After adding the plugin, restart the app so everything loads correctly. When Draw.io comes back up, open the Extras menu again and look for Animation. That menu provides more advanced controls you can apply to your selected shapes, letting you fine-tune how elements appear and move in sync with your connectors. Take a moment to preview the motion on your canvas and adjust your selections until the flow tells the story you want. Once your animation looks just right, you're ready to export it as a GIF using your usual export workflow in Draw.io. Keep your canvas tidy and cropped to the content you want to capture so the GIF is crisp, focused, and ready to share. Thanks for watching and enjoy bringing your diagrams to life.